Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you something amazing. Guys, if you are a working professional or if you are seeking for a good job, what should you do? You should learn skills. Yes, guys, I'm saying right. You should learn skills. You can learn English speaking skill, you can learn public speaking skills, presentation skills, interview skills. And guys, if you learn these kind of skills, these are going to be a game changer for you, and you are going to get a very good salary in any corporate. What happens generally, it is seen people who have very good skills, they get high salary, and they keep getting promotions in their career, while we can see people who don't have kind of skills, they generally see themselves like a backward. What happens, the same thing. So if you want to be at the top in your career, in your professional life, so definitely you should learn these kind of skills. So I recommend you some skills here. You should learn, like, English speaking skills are required everywhere. Whether you work in any corporate, any company, everywhere it is required. You can learn interview skills, so that you can try different company, different corporate. And you can learn also presentation skills. It will help you to give presentations in corporate. And generally you can see people who are at higher position in the company, they give presentations. So if you want to also achieve a very good salary, so you can also try kind of things. Okay, and you need to learn the public speaking skills, so that you can deal with your team, and you can get a high position. So these are the skills required for everyone. So I just say to you, if you don't have kind of skills, you learn. But first I recommend you should start with English speaking skills, because English will open a door for success for you. So here also we teach you spoken English, so you can also learn. So I am Pradeep. Well, I'm a spoken English trainer. So please do subscribe this channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned something. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you in our next video. Thank you so much.